This is our next flight. United's longest flight from the U.S., 8,700 miles, and we just flew into L.A., which was 1,600 miles. I'm going to video the United Los Angeles Club, just going up in case there's anything interesting to see. It has been years since we have flown through Los Angeles. When we go to Asia, it's usually out of San Francisco. Big club, lots of space. Sort of reminds me of all the other clubs. A little bit like what's in the Polaris. Also, at least the same cookies. I don't know what was out here before. Looks like bologna and cheese. It is the same. Chicken noodle soup, vegetarian chili, caprese. Our flight to Singapore doesn't leave till 10:45 at night. Cheese nibbles, the same salads. Fruit, coffee, drinks. You get your drinks in the bar. We have 4 hours to spend in the club between flights. I'm telling you, it's brutal. They have a terrace at this club. Nice. I don't know how much energy I'm going to have to eat or do anything on this flight.